Could another price surge be on the horizon for Shiba Inu? This occurs following the initial leg of this bull run, when the token's price found strong support. This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or SHIB tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. Please watch this video all the way to the finish so you won't miss any of the information I have gathered. Also, use the link in the description to join up for Tunix if you're interested in trading Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage. Make sure you check out my current special offer, a deposit bonus, because the exchange is open to everyone. But first, let's check at the chart to see how the Shiba price is performing on May 15th before we go into our issue. How about we collaborate? Approximately 2,339 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. The price of SHIB has fallen 2% in the past 24 hours, with $898 million worth of trading volume in that time. Furthermore, with a market cap of more than $13.7 billion, the token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. Until you see the video, these rates can be different. This is not a financial advising video. In addition, if you would like to be entered to win millions of dollars, all you have to do is follow me on Twitter right now. We will shortly be doing some huge prizes on Twitter, so make sure you follow us there. We can begin today's video now. When the price of SHIB goes up, a crucial metric for Shiba Inu goes up by 2,300%. This SHIB indicator became very popular. Shiba Inu, the second most valuable meme coin by market size, was in the news today because of an increase in a key ecosystem measure. Accumulated daily traffic on SHIB, with each transaction over $100,000, has hit $223 million according to data from Into the Block. When compared to the previous day's result, this is an incredible 2,300% gain. There has been an upward trend in the daily active addresses and transaction volume as well, though it has not been quite as dramatic. The uptick in the SHIB price is timed to coincide with the improvement in the indicators discussed earlier. With a 7% gain in the past 24 hours, the asset is one of the top performers on the market. On the other hand, several of its competitors in the meme coin sector have seen gains that are even more impressive. There are many more like Pepe, Popcat, Trump, Floki, etc. What played a role? The recent spike in the price of SHIB could have been driven by a number of factors, including the increasing burn rate and the advancements made in the Layer 2 scaling solution. The Shibarium species. In the last 7 days, the meme coin team burned through more than 200 million tokens. In the last day, the rate has surpassed 100%, leading to the additional 30 million assets being transferred to an empty address. Making SHIB scarcer and maybe more valuable in the long run is the mechanism's end goal. Shibarium, on the other hand, got two big updates. Compatibility with well-known wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Trust Wallet, as well as an enhanced user experience, were the primary objectives. To cap it all off, SHIB has recently seen a surge in popularity. According to CryptoPotato, the Lithuanian blockchain payment processor Coinbase has adopted it. With the help of notable partners like Airwimp, the business acts as a go-between for crypto and conventional banking. Uber, Spotify, IKEA, Nike, Walmart, and a plethora of others. It doesn't cost anything and definitely helps support the channel, so if you're still watching, smashing the like button would be very appreciated. Be sure to tune in for all the latest Shiba information and predictions for the future of Shiba coin. Bollinger Bands indicate of a new gigantic bounce for Shiba. This small upswing is neither Shiba's first rodeo nor an effort to establish support at the 2,300 units price mark, although Bollinger Bands do point to a bullish fresh uptrend. There has always been a larger market force that has tried to limit Shiba's potential for a new kind of breakthrough. A restart, though, may be on the horizon according to the Bollinger Band's technical indicator. In fresh trades, Shiba has been trading from an oversold area since at least May 7th, according to the Shiba/Tether one-day chart on TradingView. Up to this point, the price has been circling the lower Bollinger Bands. It's highly probable that the trend will reverse. As the price moves toward neutral middle Bollinger Bands, there is a small break that suggests potential, but it may not last. But Shiba in the journalism community is still focused on the long haul, and with all these big deals happening recently, it's looking more and more likely that the brooding breakout will be documented eventually. Additionally, Shiba in the news neutral relative strength index clearly shows that sheep bulls have a good chance of reclaiming market dominance. On the strength of unfounded optimism, Shiba reached a new all-time high of 8,845 units in October 2021. From a coin with speculative buzz and few practical applications to a system with many potential applications, digital money has come a long way in its short history. Supporting Shiba's technical signals are Shibarium's promising future, its smart contracts platform, and the overall market rise. Attempts to retest the all-time high and perhaps chart a new price milestone overall might be in the works for Shiba in the near future. The meat of today's video is about to begin. The new Shiba aims to take advantage of the lowering wedge to rocket sales to 3,400 units. The current bearish consolidation may be preparing the stage for an impending key push, according to crypto journalist and market analyst Amy DeFi, who recently brought attention to Shiba in news price fluctuations. Specifically, Shiba hopes to get back on track after a slow start in late February. The new forms of Shiba are falling wedges. You may remember that between February 25th and March 5th, Shiba Inu had a 380% increase, reaching a yearly high of 4,567 units. But Shiba gave up this peak due to a combination of broader market volatility and a decrease in momentum. The outcome was a retracement that caused Shiba to fall by approximately 50% from its March 5th peak. According to Damie's chart, Shiba might benefit from this correction in the long run. Curiously, in the midst of the decline, Shiba has created a falling wedge. Two downward-sloping trend lines that converge to form a falling wedge. It may be a sign that the present slump is about to reverse, and the price might even break out to the upside. Japan's fresh exchange reserve falls by Shiba. The fresh pattern that Shiba is forming on the daily chart suggests that the selling pressure may be easing. Since May 5th, there has been a noticeable rise in exchange outflows indicating this. Exchanges have seen a loss of $8.88 million worth of Shiba since May 5th, despite 2 daily inflows according to the data. Furthermore, according to CryptoQuant's on-chain statistics, the blue line representing Shiba Inu reserve on exchanges has decreased significantly since February 29th. The Shiba exchange reserve is $151.3 trillion at the present time, according to data. Declined from $164.5 trillion on February 29th and beyond. This proves that since February 29th, investors have removed $13 trillion Shiba from the market. In addition, despite the widespread pessimism, they have removed more than $5 trillion Shiba from markets since March 31st. This discernible decline in exchange reserves shows that market players are prepared to move their SHIB tokens to solutions that do not require custody. Perhaps for archival purposes. A target of 3,400 units, reducing selling pressure and bolstering price action is the goal of this practice. Once Shiba Inu fresh breaks out of the decreasing trend, Daimi anticipates it to post a large price rise based on this basis. The analyst claims that a 50% increase bringing Shiba to 3,456 units is the short-term objective. Despite a modest gain of 1.22% to $66.9 million, data on HIV derivatives shows a 26% decline in volume to $228 million. SHIB is aiming to protect itself from further significant drops by breaking the 2,350 unit mark as soon as possible. Thanks to their faith in Shiba's potential and emerging developers and its practical applications, several of our subscribers have declared their intention to keep on to millions of SHIB for the next 5 years and refuse to sell them. Tell me how many are in your possession. Please disclose all of your SHIB holdings in the space provided below. The SHIB holder deserves praise for having faith in the procedure. If you're having fun with the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Additionally, to ensure that you are notified whenever we upload a new video, be sure to enable post notifications. However, you shouldn't limit your current investigation to SHIB alone. For the impending bull run, I have actually compiled a list of the top cryptocurrencies to invest in. Look at the video that's playing right now. You really shouldn't miss it, believe me.